Just finished week 1 of Super Reading by Jim Kwik. Got my reading speed up from 370 words per minute to 800 words per minute in 1 week. 1 week. So check this out. This is what I just ordered from Amazon. My big box of books that just came in from Amazon. So I want to show you what I'm reading for those of you who are curious. Lifespan by David Sinclair. Beyond Training by Ben Greenfield. Disrupt Her by Nikki Agrawal, Mindvalley's newest author. Superhuman by Dave Asprey. There's a chapter on me in this book. Do Cool Shit by Nikki Agrawal. Body by Science. Oh, this is a classic. Mindvalley's 10X's methodology is very inspired by this book. You Can Be Younger by Marissa Peer, also a Mindvalley author. Headstrong, again by Dave Asprey. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant man. The High Intensity Training by Ellington Darden. So we're launching our own high intensity training program called 10X in December. So I'm doing a lot of research into this right now. Boundless. Wow, this is a heavy book. You need Ben Greenfield's muscles to basically lift this book. This is massive. And Jay Shetty, Think Like a Monk. This is awesome. Jay was just live on Mindvalley. This book hit #1 on Amazon. Perfect Eyesight by Robert Zuroff. I'm trying to see how I can, if I can naturally heal astigmatism. The Art of Cosmic Vision by Mantak Chia. Practices for improving your eyesight. Same category. Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. There was a documentary on this book. I'm in that documentary about the 6-phase meditation. Vivid Vision by Cameron Harold. So excited about this book. This book is amazing. The Vivid Vision program is actually coming to Mindvalley. Nur Eyal, Hooked. I'm happy to say Nur Eyal's new program is now coming to Mindvalley as part of our entrepreneurial collection. And finally, Instant Confidence by Paul McKenna. Paul McKenna's new confidence program, you guessed it, coming to Mindvalley. So, super excited about all of these books. This is what I'm adding to my bookshelf this week.